Hello, welcome to our video. Today we're having a look at this watch mobile phone. Yes, it's a watch and it's a mobile phone all in one. So anything your mobile phone can do, this can actually do. So let's first of all show you the outside. So we've got a screen here. I believe it's 1.4 inches, I think, or 1.3 inches. And then we've got some quick touch buttons on here as well. The whole screen is fully touch screen, but we've got some quick touch buttons. If you have a quick look on there, we've got a camera shortcut, we've got a music, address book, I believe, and messages there as well. So there's some quick short links which I'll show you later. We've got some two buttons, we've got a USB port, and believe it or not, we've even got a camera on here as well. The whole thing is made from metal and plastic. So the front here is metal, got a glass screen, got a bit of plastic here for the speaker, and then the links are a mixture of stainless steel and plastic in between. Overall, it's quite a sturdy watch. It's definitely not small, but you know, you wouldn't expect something with this much technology to be that small anyway. Let me show you what you get with the watch phone. We give you two batteries, not just one, but two batteries, one spare, a UK charger, a headphones that you can listen to your music, and you can take calls on it because it's got a microphone, charger cable slash data transfer cable, and finally an English manual there as well. Okay, one more freebie we're going to give you. We're going to give you a 2 GB memory card as well. We'll throw that in absolutely free. So let me show you how it all works. So the memory card is in here, and that just goes inside like so. And then the SIM card, it takes a standard UK SIM card, all in there. Now this phone will take any GSM SIM card, so O2, T-Mobile, Orange, Vodafone, anything like that, apart from free. So it will take any GSM SIM card apart from free. Right, so the battery just clips in like that, and there we have it. Right, so to turn it on, we just keep our finger on that, and there we are, it's turning on. Let me just put it on my wrist so you can see. I've got fairly small wrists, so it's going to look big on my wrist, but it's definitely not a small phone watch. It's definitely a macho phone watch. So if you've got a big wrist, it's not going to look too bad on you. It's definitely a macho watch. Right, so let me show you how you use it. So first of all, we've got our clock face. Obviously it's a watch, you're going to want to tell the time, so it tells the time there. It's just recognizing my SIM, so after it's recognized my SIM, it should say EE, which is T-Mobile. Now we've got our signal bars here, we've got some other icons here, battery, we've got our menu down here, and here is our address book. We've got menu here, so if I click on menu, that will bring up the actual interface. The first one we've got is our contacts, second one is messages, that one is our recent calls list, that one is our settings, that one is our multimedia, and that one is our internet connection, WAP, and things like that. Now you can use WAP on this, but it's not the easiest thing to program, but it's there if you got the time to configure it. Now the other thing about this, obviously you just see me use my fingers. You can use your fingers, but you can also use the little pen that it comes with. That's quite cleverly and neatly tucked away here, so you can pull that out. So you can pull that out there, and that's a little telescopic pen which helps you to navigate through the menus a little bit easier. If you've got fat fingers, this will certainly help. Okay, so there we are. It's also recognised my SIM now, so we're all ready to go and make phone calls. Now there's several ways you can make phone calls. Obviously, just bring up the dialer, press the call, and it'll call. Or you can go to your address book and call from your address book. Okay, so that's superb. It was also do text messaging as well, so I can do SMS. Right, text message. I can do character recognition like that. See? Like that. It's quite handy. Or I can bring up the full keyboard. So let me bring up the full keyboard. There we are. So you've got a full keyboard. So you can actually write out a text message from this. It's quite a small screen, but it's there and it can be done. Now let me show you the multimedia on this as well. So I press the quick button for the camera. Let's do the quick button for the camera so I can show you the camera. You can't really see it well on this this filming. You can see there the camera is just on the front here, and you can see it works. This will take pictures and videos as well. Now let me show you the music on here. Let's do that. Music player, no video player, audio player, there we are. So there you have it. You can see that the speaker on this is quite loud. Now that's very important, because let me tell you the ways you can make a phone call. So it's got all those goodies like SMS, it's got the camera, it's got playback of music, which is great. But you want to take calls on it. 3 ways you can do it. You can do it like normally. You just put it to your ear and talk like you do a normal mobile phone. You can use the wired headset, or because this has Bluetooth, you can use a Bluetooth headset. It doesn't come with a Bluetooth headset, but I'm sure you've got one. If you have, just pair it up like you would do any Bluetooth headset, stick that into your ear, and then you can take phone calls on the Bluetooth headset. So you won't look like someone from Secret Service or something like that. So that's great as well. Or finally, you can use a loudspeaker. Now when you get a call, you can answer it, and then on the bottom here you'll see a little icon that says H3. That means hands free. You can press that, and then the speaker becomes active, and then you can actually, you just saw how loud the music is, you can actually take a phone call without having it right next to your ear. So that's pretty handy as well. So there we have it. That's a watch. This is a fantastic gadget. It would make a great present for anyone, and you know, it does exactly what it is. It's a wrist watch mobile phone. It will take any GSM SIM card. You can make calls, you can receive calls. It's fully unlocked, and it's ready to be bought now. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you choose to buy this. Many thanks.